junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go. It's time for McDonald's, and I bought the all new Big Mac. It's a new recipe. I also bought McPlant nuggets. Then here's the grit fries, and here we go, the star of the show, the new Big Mac. Here we go. So yeah, they changed like the recipe or like the production procedure, something like this. So let's do it. Here we go. Here we go, my beautiful friends. I always cut stuff. Say something, the bun is now more fluffy. Good. Okay. So this was so cutting a Big Mac is a bad idea. Anyways, I start eating. Yeah. So I was not eating this product regularly, but it definitely feels better than the old one. Yeah. The taste is more complex. Okay. Alrighty. Before I continue eating, I flush a little bit, and I'm taking here Vita Cola Pure, which is a pure cola taste cola. Cheers. Yeah. I think there must be many videos about the new Big Mac, and yeah, I think it's nice. Yeah, there's also a double Big Mac, but the cut will fail even more. I could get this one. Yeah. I could also like look up the website from McDonald's Germany. Write you down the changes, or what they write there. I think they changed the handling of the patties. Oh, it feels fresher and more taste intense, I would say. Okay. Now some plant nuggets with sweet chili sauce. So can I open it? Here we go. Okay. So this coating is kind of super stable. To ask myself, how long have they already been produced? But it's still warm. Okay. I have to eat it without the sauce. Alrighty. here we go, some flushing. Yeah, something is wrong about. So this coating is definitely too hard. Yeah. Can I show you a little bit? Yeah. Yeah. Super dry. This tastes like a cookie. The coating. So I just think about whether it's a good or a bad thing. Okay. I remember them better somehow. Anyways, next one. Why are some ordinary ones in here? Okay. No sour cream. And potato products work very fine. But I have the feeling these ones are also not the freshest. Well. Oh. Come on. Oh my god. So I sort of changed the procedure to make the Big Mac. It's now like freshly produced or something. But everything else is messed up. Oh my god. So it was only a trade-off. So they just traded off which things they make fresh and which they do on bulk. Oh my god. Alrighty. So I guess I eat a little bit more. And then I do some logging. Actually, this old thing that doesn't taste bad. Not as bad as old French fries. Okay. A little bit more. I make the burger now disappear. Yeah. So it's really important. I've also chosen this now because of course McDonald's will be a nice contestant to Magnum. I also found like a new Magnum product. There's Magnum in cups. I will buy one of these cups for the review on Saturday. Okay. Alrighty, so here we are, logbook time. New page. And yeah, I rate the new burger, the new, what was his name? Big Mac win. Yeah, it's cool. It's cooler than before. Say Big Mac new version. Okay. All right, and other products, yeah, we just forget it happened. And yeah, this was the episode. I hope you liked it, and see you on Friday.